Are long emails eating up your workday? If you wish you could get to the point faster, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how AI can summarize lengthy emails for you in seconds, so you can save at least 15 minutes every day. Hi, I'm your name from AI for Busy Professionals. Our channel is all about simple ways to use AI to save time and lower your stress. Let's dive in. Here are 3 practical ways you can use AI to quickly summarize your emails at work. Tip number 1. Use an AI email assistant. Tools like Outlook's Copilot and Gmail's built-in AI features can now scan your emails and create a short summary right in your inbox. Whenever you open a long email, just look for the Summarize button or option. It'll instantly give you the main points, no reading walls of text. Tip number 2. Try a free AI tool like ChatGPT. Copy the text of your long email, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask, "Summarize this email in 3 to 5 bullet points." In seconds. You'll have a clear, short version you can skim. Tip number 3. For managers, automated AI summaries can help with big inboxes. Some email apps offer plugins that summarize every message as you scroll, so you spend less time reading and more time acting. Bonus tip: if you're on the go, many AI assistants can summarize emails on your phone too. Just forward the message or use an app with voice commands, and you'll get the summary wherever you are. Let's recap. Built-in AI tools and email apps can summarize messages automatically. Free AI like ChatGPT can create quick summaries for any email. Plugins and mobile apps make it even easier when you're busy. Try using AI to handle your long emails this week and see how many minutes you save. Don't forget to subscribe for more stress-free productivity tips.